Here's the problem that I am dealing with today. This is the arm that holds my camera for filming overhead art projects and demonstrations, and it broke. It has this little clamp that I'm supposed to use on the edge of the table or the counter wherever I'm filming, and it has broken off and I can't fix it. So I don't want to spend the money on a new one. I'm going to look around my house and see what I can come up with, what I can find, and ideas to try to salvage this and make it usable again. So we'll see what I find. So in looking around my house, these are some things that I have come up with that I think I'll be able to use to fix my video and photo arm that broke at the bottom. So I have this can, I think it was coffee that came in it, and my idea is to put this in here and use it as a base, because I also found some concrete that I want to put in the bottom of the can to hold it and make it stable. I found some spray paint just to make it a little bit more decorative. And now what I have to figure out is how I'm going to hold this so that it doesn't move while the concrete is setting up. In the meantime, I'm going to clean this can real well, and then I'm going to start painting it so it will be ready for the next step. All right, here is my camera holder, my phone holder. Now I decorated the can. I mixed up the concrete according to the directions, which is very important to do, using eye protection, a mask, gloves, and boots, because concrete is a chemical that should not get on the skin. And I put these paint sticks, I taped them together to hold this in place so it wouldn't move or fall over while the concrete or cement was setting up. And that was 24 hours ago. So I'm going to take this off now, if I can, and see how it's turned out. And I like this project because it's really good to find things that maybe have broken around your house. Instead of running out and buying something new, you can find a way to fix it possibly and save the money, as well as give your brain some problem solving and some creative thinking, which are all very good brain exercise. And now I will be able to start making overhead videos again. So thank you for watching me. Thank you for joining. I appreciate your time. And I hope this inspires you to be resourceful and to try to think about creative ways that you can repurpose or reuse something.